Yo, what up? Welcome to Chester County, haunted Chester County, PA. Right now we're going to take you to Sawmill Road, outside of Downingtown, on 322. And the story behind this is, in the 1900s, a man and his family lived in a house up there, and he went crazy one night and killed his whole family, cut their heads off, and walked them down the driveway and stuck their heads on the post where the post of the gates where the driveway starts, and walked back up the driveway and hung himself in the house. And it really happened. It was a grisly scene. The FBI took care of the crime scene for a while, and supposedly this road's haunted where the house once stood. We'll show you where the gate used to be, where he hung their heads and their bodies. It's just a lot of stories to hear about this road. People getting chased out by unexplained cars or whatever. Cars stalling, getting stuck, not starting. Some people live up here. Out there, it's like a little factory or warehouse. Better go look at that. Dog. This road goes deep into the woods. You have to walk up. You can't drive there anymore, so you gotta walk a mile deep into the woods, and you get to this clearing where the house used to be. There's still a wall standing. I don't know who knocked it down. I'm assuming the government or whatever, but it's not that widely used anymore, this road. Just people trying to have some adventures, maybe catch a ghost if it's haunted. Have some weird things happen. We're doing this in the day because we tried it last night when it was dark, but you couldn't really see anything on the camera. We just want to show you all where it's at. trash or something on the side of the road. Somebody doesn't want that stuff. But a lot of people have some weird experiences, and it's actually I think it's in Weird, Pennsylvania book. I'm not 100% sure, but there's websites about it and documentaries. Sawmill Road, Gate to Hell. It's right here. This is where the gate used to be, where he hung his family's heads and bodies. And you can see you can't get up there anymore, but it goes about a mile back and you'll get to where the house once would, where he killed himself. And maybe you'll have some experiences. Let's see if we can get a better look. You see part of the gate still laying on the ground there. It goes deep into the woods. So that's the gate to hell on Sawmill Road, and there's a couple more houses up here. This lady up here, some people I know got stuck, and they asked her for help, and she didn't want to help them. She told them basically get the hell out. House. One more. And Sawmill Road. Turn around and show you the place again. How much time we got? 7 minutes. Make sure we don't go above 10 minutes or we can't put this on YouTube. Truck. Okay, what sign?